Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you an easy way to find if you have any duplicated text in your Excel worksheet, right? This is really simple and I'll try to explain it as quick as possible. So the first thing that we are going to do is we're going to home and now we're going to press Ctrl A. This is a shortcut which selects the entire page. So once that we have everything selected, we are going to press on conditional formatting, highlight cell, and now duplicate values. Here we can change if we want it in red, in yellow, or green. But what this is going to do is to highlight the duplicated cells, right? I'm going to leave with this option and now take a close look at here. For example, in contact, I have two contacts with the same name, right? Stephen, Michael. Or for example here, corner-wise. So I want to delete it. What I'm going to do? What I'm going to do is to go to data, and once here I'm going to press on remove duplicates. So if you pay attention here, I'm going to delete all of this. And now as you can see, I have only one corner-wise and one Stephen-wise, and there won't be more duplicated values, right? So this is all. This is the way in which you can identify if you have any duplicated cell. So, well, if you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a comment. So if this tutorial was helpful for you, please subscribe to our channel. And if you have any comment or if you have any question or any suggestion, please leave it in the comments below. We hope this tutorial has helped you. If you want to see more videos like this one, we invite you to subscribe to our channel.